Jessica Slade, and today we're going to talk about how I got these nice clean nails. While I've been home, I just said, well, let's go from to. So what we're going to do is get right into the tools that I use. Now I started with this Beauty 360 file, which has 6 sides. It has shape, file, smooth, buff, shine, and polish, which gives you a nice finished look. And then also I had these files from the dollar store. One has a coarse side, one has a fine side. I took some aluminum foil pieces and shaped them to my fingers with the cotton inside soaked with acetone, thinking that I would be able to soak the gel off, but that didn't work for me. So I just used the cotton soaked acetone, the acetone soaked cotton to clean around my nails. So using the coarse side of the file, I began filing off the gel, and I was just using medium pressure because, oh, you know how back in the day, some of you still might experience it when they're drilling your nails and they're trying to get it smooth and you get that burn and you snatch your hand back. I didn't want that to happen because it did happen to me one time a long time ago, but not this time. So anyway, I continue filing off the gel, making sure that I got it from around my cuticles, and then once the color was completely removed, I turned over the file from the coarse side to the fine side to smooth out the new growth so that it was nice and flat. So here you see that all the color is removed. It's not completely smooth, but I was on the way to doing that, and I just wanted to get a look at to see how much more filing I had to do. So at this point, I switched from my dollar store file over to the Beauty 360 file using all 6 sides. And here we go. This is after I have smoothed them out, gotten the shape pretty consistent, and cleaned up. Now I'm going to wash my hands so I can move on to the next step. Here they are, looking really clean. I did not cut my cuticles because when I get my cuticles cut, they seem to split. And I don't want to sit around the house mad about split cuticles while, my nails are all pretty. So I found this color around the house, this Kiara Sky. It's a pretty peachy color, but I wasn't too sure about it. So I just started applying it, and I actually really like the color. I'm checking out my technique as I'm talking to you, and I was doing pretty good. It's been a while since I've polished my nails. I've been getting my nails done since I was 16 years old, and when in cosmetology school, we had to polish nails for the state exam, but and that was in 1992. It's been a long time, but I did pretty good. I'm on my second coat, and as you can see, I'm definitely going to have to apply a third coat so I can have full coverage. But they are looking pretty good. All right, maybe not that one. You have to admit they're doing pretty good. So finally, I am on the last nail, and the process wasn't too long. Again, I was distracted watching TV, but I was kind of into doing my nails. It felt really good. I pushed it off as long as I could. The process was really going well until it wasn't. Twice. Not once, but twice. And 2 angry hot flashes later, Wet n Wild, Fast Dry, clear. I was mad. I just kept messing them up. But turns out I'm really satisfied with the final look. I applied 2 coats of this clear polish, called it a day, and I'm good to go until I can get back to see my girl. So I appreciate you watching. The final look is coming up. Good luck to you all. and choose your color wisely, and just don't turn your hand over in the middle of polishing your nails.